We are in Shibuya today randomly, and we randomly found a vending machine of banana doll. Banana vending machine. And frozen banana chips, I guess. 130 yen. 130. 200 yen. Dry mango, that's not banana. And those are fresh bananas. 130 yen. 390 yen for a chunk of banana. でも安いね、こっちのバナナのは。上1本130なのに、下が何本かセット。Yeah. 日本初 First time ever in Japan バナナの自動販売機。Interesting. I've never seen anything like this. Oh, it's a bit cool. Then there's sponge in there. Bye, I hope you enjoy this.